1.2G. So for these 3 problems, I'm going to let you do those by yourself. Remember, you can use counters, crayons, manipulatives, whatever you want to use. You can draw pictures to help you solve these problems, your fingers. The second one says, which shape is a circle? So I see this has 4 sides, so I know that's a rectangle. This has 0 sides, so I know it's a circle. It says 4 sides, and this has 3 sides, so I know this is the only circle. And I did not mark that very nicely, so I'm going to go back and redo that check mark. Ken has 5 marbles, Sam has 3 marbles. How many marbles do Ken and Sam have all together? Well, I know I'm looking for a joining problem because I want to see how many Ken and Sam have together. So I know Ken has 5. I know we're adding because I'm joining 3 more. I'm going to say 5, 6, 7, 8. That gives me 8 marbles, and that's reasonable because I know 5 and 3 is 8 is more than 5 and 3, and I know I'm joining. I'm going to check 5, 6, 7, 8. So that does work out as 8. Jesse went to the library at the time shown on the clock below. What time did Jesse go to the library? Well, I see the hour hand is on the 1 and the minute hand is on the 12. So I know he went to the library at 1 o'clock. Compare the numbers below using the symbols. Well, I know 74 and 74 are equal or the same, so I'm going to represent them with the equal sign. For 67 and 57, I know 67 has more tens than 57, so I am going to represent that by showing 67 is greater than 57. 42 to 49, well, I know they both have an equal number of tens, but I see this is less tens than this is less ones. 2 is less ones than 9, so I'm going to represent it like this. Compare the numbers using the symbols again. All right, so I know 59 has 5 tens and 36 has 3 tens. So I'm going to represent as 59 is greater than 36. Quickly. 87 and 87, well, I know they both have the same number of tens and ones, so I know those are equal or the same. 12 and 21, well, I know 12 has 1 10 and 21 has 2 tens, so I know 12 is less than 21. Which of these statements is not true? That means I'm looking for the wrong answer. Well, I know 74 is less than 86 because 74 has 7 tens and 86 has 8. I know 29 is less than 50 because 29 has 2 tens and 50 is 5. I know 45 is not equal to 54 because they should be the same. So I know that this is my not answer. I'm looking for the wrong answer. Which statements can make these statements true? These are going to have multiple possibilities. So for this one, anything less than 43 could make that true. For this one, it would have to be 54 because we know equal means the same. And this number would be anything greater than 26.